Hi guys, welcome to a new tutorial and this video it's finally part 3 of the Minecraft nerd minigame in Scratch. So let's get started. First, go to File, save as a copy. Yes sir! Now we're going to have the part 3. And the part 3 is pretty special because we we are going to this is going to be the final part of the first starter project. So in the next video, we'll start a new starter project. So yes, sir. Wait. So this okay. Now it's part 3. Yes, sir. First of all, we'll start with spread called thumbnail. Yeah, because we're gonna make a thumbnail basically, but a thumbnail with aura. So well, let's as you see here, this has a lot of aura, but I put some different like funnels like this one, which I think is the best one. I got this one, which is also pretty good. This one, which it's normal. This not that bad. I have some play screens over here and well, a lot of stuff over there. Yeah. Okay. So first we'll make a new variable. Okay. Oh wait. Oh no, we already have the score variable. Okay. So I'm gonna collect hide. Let's look at this also. So hide variable high score and the variable score. Okay. Switch costume to a thumbnail. Okay. Go to front layer. Wait 1 second. Okay. Switch costume to play screen 1. Over here. Wait until key space pressed. Okay. Look at this. Yes, sir. Wait until not key space is pressed. Guys, sorry for not publishing for even more than a week because I've been very busy, but I'll try to make the videos more daily. Now another wait until guys, thanks for all your support. Let's see if I can get like 500 subscribers and at the end of the year. Yeah, it's like not a problem, but I hope that happens. Now we'll put an equal. I'm making a new. Oh no, wait, we have here show word code equal to not. Okay. Now let's put show another show variable score and high score. Set ghost effect to 100. Yes, sir. And broadcast start game. There we go. Where is it? Oh, here, start. Okay. When I receive game over, let's put it over here. Hide, so we're going to duplicate this. What happened here, bro? There we go. Hide is two variables. And now we're going to go to the list part and make a new list. Now, sorry guys, I meant verb. Oh no, we already have. I don't know what I was thinking. If, okay, we're going to put this up here. If it's greater than, if score is greater than high score, which is over here. Oh, it disappeared, right? Yes, sir, it disappeared, but now it's here. Okay. Set high score to score. And switch costume to game. Wait, no. To game over high score. Channel. Oh, here. And now duplicate this. And put it over here. And switch costume to game over. Oh, it was an if else because. Oh, yes. I'm so stupid, guys. Sorry. I do all this. Break this stuff, man. Okay, and stop all. There we go. So officially finished the thumbnail spread, which doesn't do anything because, well, it's not a thumbnail. Yeah, now we're in this, we're gonna hide it. Now we're going to go with the cobweb spread. When grandpa clicked, switch costume to web. When I start as clone, okay, show, repeat until touching left edge. Which is obviously the spread. Okay. Change X by. Okay. Now I'll put a minus. Oh my gosh, guys. Sorry. 0 minus game speed. Why is it scratch like this? Okay. And delete this column. There we go. Breezy. Now we're going to go to the left edge sprite. Do I finish the potion spread? Let's see. We did 39 bucks. Yeah, I think. Okay, now let's go to the left edge sprite. So when grandpa clicked, go to X 0 and 0 and set ghost effect to 100. There we go. Now we're going to go finally to the crossbow piglin sprite. When grandpa clicked, go to X now to 225 and Y now to 81 and hide. There we go. When I receive start, okay, wait until I'm gonna put a greater than. Score is greater than 90. There we go. Set brightness effect to 100. Okay. Show, repeat 5 times. Okay, this is taking a while. And change brightness effect by -20. Okay. You put change? Yes. Forever. Oh my god, bro. Come on. Wait. Epic random. 4 to 16 seconds. Play sound. Yeah, I have some sounds here. Playing a sound effect. Oh my gosh. Sorry for that. I'm playing a sound effects too. Yeah, it's even horrible, but I think the first one was horrible. What the heck was that? Oh my god. I'm gonna have some nightmares tonight. Okay. Now place. Oh my gosh. Place. Oh, what the heck, bro? Okay, I'm gonna crash out. I hear that one more time. Sound pick random for the 16. Okay. But I really want to 2 because we'll have 2 audios. Now when I receive start, where is it? Here. What happened, bro? I don't know what happened, but okay. When I receive start, forever, next costume, and wait 0 seconds. Okay, so there we go. So yeah, that's everything for the part 3. It was like pretty short. So in the next part, so next part is part 4, we're going to have the start project number 2. We didn't reach 300 bucks, but who cares? This is the best series of the channel. So bye bye.